Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can verify ID on Apple Pay. So in order to verify ID on Apple Pay, all you have to do is first of all open up your Apple Pay wallet, and after that tap on the Apple Cash card, and once you do that go ahead and select more. Once you do that, go ahead and select the more button. As soon as you do that, then you'll be able to see the card details. So after that under it go ahead and select verify your identity. Now you need to follow the on-screen prompt when you capture on-screen prompt. So basically it'll be asked providing some of your government's ID or maybe state ID whatsoever. You'll have to provide that, and also make sure that you are taking a clear picture of following documents. So it's going to take a couple of minutes, so all you can do is wait patiently until you receive notification stating that you have completely verified your Apple Pay. So in that way you can verify your Apple Pay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.